And as you can see guys, we have this script and it works perfectly. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then scroll down and you will find Delta Executor online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, user found, just click connect and import latest Delta Executor. Select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for Delta Executor. Just scroll down and click verify now, and let's see the next step. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher from the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I download this just play Ender Money and Phone Maker, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status complete redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting and let's see the final step. Injection successful guys, that's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's test does it actually works. Let's see guys. Let me play Grow Garden. Just a second. Okay guys, we have this message. Thank you for using Delta. Click on How button and just click execute, and let's wait a little bit. And as you can see guys, we have this script and it works perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next. Bye.